Welcome to this course, Understanding Organizational Behavior. Succeeding in modern-day organizations as an employee or manager is an increasingly complex and challenging task. Complex because organizations themselves are complex social entities. As a social entity, an organization is a place where people of diverse background, skill set, geography and profile come, interact, coordinate and work together to achieve organizational goals. To work, manage and lead effectively in such an environment, an employee needs to reflect a great deal of personal insight, self-understanding, as well as understanding of people around herself. This is a fundamental course on organizational behavior, and it will help you in understanding the deeper nuances and intricacies of understanding and managing behavior of people in the organizational setting. The course begins with a conceptual overview of the discipline, tracing its historical development along with its current scope and application. After discussing the conceptual background of the discipline of organizational behavior, or OB as it is called popularly, we will move toward understanding the basic psychological processes in the organizations, such as perception, attribution. We will look at these processes not only from conceptual perspective, but we will also have relevant cases and examples and latest researches for these topics. After developing an understanding about basic psychological processes in the organizations, in the subsequent we will move toward topics like personality, motivation at work, attitude, attribution, learning process at work. In the final week, the course will conclude with a discussion on understanding and managing team behavior at work. Each unit of this course is going to be a mix of case studies, experiential examples, business insights, exercises, MCQs, and practical insights. So I am sure this course will not only enhance your knowledge about human nature, individual and group behavior at work, but it will also add tremendous value to your managerial journey in the corporate world. So I'm looking forward to meet you in this course.